Hi, today I am going to tell you a tip for keeping your skin very glowing. How is it possible to keep your skin glowing? You can use whatever is there at home, so I'll tell you what you can use. You would normally buy butter, right, at least once a month. So that wrapper in the, outside the butter has lot of butter stuck when you remove the thing, right? So that you can put it on your face and rub and see that the skin is glowing. You keep it for 1 or 2 hours and then wash it. So how do you wash it? First you wash and then you can put curd. Take the curd and mix it and put it on your skin. The skin is glowing much more than what it was before. So you can keep that curd for about 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. If you have a face pack powder, you can mix it with the curd and then apply on the face and wait for the thing to dry and then wash it off. So butter is one good ingredient to keep your skin glowing. Second, curd is very good to keep your skin glowing. So you can use both. Now I'll probably tell you how to make a face pack in my next episodes. So first you can use this, and then the second thing that you can use is any oil like that you have to apply and then check out. If it is irritating your skin, please do not use that oil. So the oils probably you can use is gingerly oil or groundnut oil or coconut oil or rice bran oil. Rice bran oil is actually very soft on the skin, so maybe you can try that and check out. It suits my skin, but what suits you, you have to definitely check out and use that. Now after you apply the oil, you have to wait for 1 or 2 hours for the thing to penetrate into your skin. So once it penetrates into your skin, you can put the curd with the face pack or without the face pack and wash it off, and you will see that your skin is glowing beautifully. And actually not only the skin is glowing, all those rashes or pimples that you get, you can avoid provided that oil suits your skin. So you have to check out that. Okay, since I am telling you about the glowing skin, some people have called me up and told me that my accessories are good and my costumes are good and I have a very glowing face. So that glow, I think I get it from my friends who sponsor my dresses and accessories with so much of love. So I get my energy and prana from there. So that is the reason why I am probably glowing. So thank you so much, viewers. So till I meet you next, bye.